Oh, here's a little silica. What is this? What is the purpose of this? Can someone tell me down below, please? Obviously, I just stuck my finger into it. Ah! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're an OG and you've been here for almost 3 years, thank you. Just a little bit extra, because it's like, oh my god, like, I don't know why you hit that subscribe button back then, but thank you for sticking it out and still being here now. So today's video is going to be just a quick video. I am wearing glasses. I just got these. I'm kind of loving them. I want to embrace glasses a little bit more. Obviously, I'm not going to wear them that often in my videos, but I also want to show you that I do have some Noelle lashes on with my new glasses, and they fit and they're not bothering me. I do have Fallon on the outer edges of my eyes, and yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling the glasses today, and like the little bun, whatever. So yeah, and we're just doing an unboxing today. So I'm sorry for the lights and that will be reflecting in my glasses. I don't have my ring light to try to make that a little bit better, but this is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to unbox my deluxe box finally. I know that some people are finally getting like their Supreme boxes shipped. I do not have spoilers yet, and I did not order the Supreme box. I have already opened my deluxe box just because I condensed things to make it quicker to go through, but I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video as well. I'm going to go through everything that I got, and then I will talk about the giveaway. So make sure that you thumbs up this video. That'll be part of the giveaway rules anyway, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and get into my unboxing. All right, so I got the deluxe box, and now if I may say so, this is a small deluxe box. Doesn't mean that there weren't good products in here, but I was just kind of surprised, like compared to the normal size. So what I did was I actually put everything in my little crocodile pouch. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this yet. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to. Like, it's actually really cute and I'm really tempted to keep it. I just don't think I'm gonna use it. So I do think this will be part of the giveaway. But for the video, I thought it might be kind of fun to like unbox everything from here. Everything that did come in the box does fit in here too. So I thought that was like a good representation of the size of this. So obviously that's the first item, is I got that little fanny pack. So let's go into everything else. Let's do the two bigger items first. So let's talk about the Z palette. So I got, of course, the empty magnetic palette. Seeing this online, I wasn't sure what quality this was, but this is actually a pretty good quality. It's not anything mind-blowing. You know, it's cardboard, but it feels pretty sturdy. Like, if you're gonna have a palette like this, you definitely need it to feel sturdy. The magnet's really strong. You don't want your shadows to go anywhere. So I really like this palette, and these are the 3 single shadows that I got as well. My only gripe is, and I don't know if he did this with the intent of you could put any kind of single shadows in here, but if he's putting just Jeffree ones in here, there's a little gap on the side, and that irks me. I wish that he just did it big enough to fit all of the pans. That's just me. So I got the shade Intravenous, I don't know which way is like proper to say that. Lemon Drop and Licorice. So those are the 3 shades I got, and they actually are cohesive to like make a look. You could easily do like the red and the brown and the crease in the outer corner and like this all over the lid. So I kind of like that it was like a good color story, especially if you didn't get all the other boxes as well. So I like that. I'm happy with that. And then I got the Star Ranch palette. So I will be filming with this hopefully tomorrow. Obviously, I just stuck my finger into it. Ah! Dang it. Okay. So I got the Star Ranch palette. I will be filming with this soon. Let me know if you guys just want like 1 look with it, if you want to do 3 looks, 1 palette with it. I honestly, there's something about the packaging that I don't like. I don't know if it feels too cheesy for me, but it does. Like, it's not, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not the packaging that I would have like typically gone for. But these pans I feel like might be a little bit bigger than normal too. I do really like these colors though. They are neutrals with pops of blue, and we all know that blue is some of my favorite eyeshadows. So I do like the color story in here a lot. So hopefully that'll be my next video, besides spoilers, will be like a palette video with this. Just let me know what you want to see with this. So super excited to get that before he even releases it. that's definitely awesome. Next, I got a Velour Lip Scrub in the flavor Pink Grapefruit. Now, I personally hate grapefruit, so this is definitely going in the giveaway. I do love his lip scrubs though, but I just know I won't use this because I'm not a grapefruit person. I feel like people either love or hate grapefruit. Like, I feel like you're one or the other. Am I right? Am I wrong? Oh, here's a little silica. What is this? What is the purpose of this? Can someone tell me down below, please? Okay, then we have 3 more products. The first one is the gloss in the shade Beaded Glass. This is a absolutely beautiful golden wearable shade. I love that. And then the limited edition makeup item is the lip balm. I got the shade Bloodstain. Now, when I saw that this was a lip balm instead of a lipstick, I was intrigued. I was hoping it would be like decently pigmented, and this is actually so beautiful. Like, this is a perfect color, and I actually really like that it's like a tinted lip balm. I can wear this all the time, so I'm actually really excited for this. At first I was kind of like, a lip balm for an exclusive makeup item, like give us a lipstick or a highlighter or whatever, which I still stand by that. But this is actually really nice. I really like the quality. It's a beautiful just like wash of color on the lips, which is very summer, so I do like that a lot. And then the last item I got is actually a funky shade. This is the Venus Flytrap Velour Liquid Lipstick. So I'm not going to swatch this or use this because this is definitely going in the giveaway because I just know I won't use it. Because that's just me. I'm not a huge green person when it comes to makeup. I think you guys know that. So this I just won't be using unless it's like lime green or emerald green. I don't really like colors like this or like true greens. They're just not my vibe. I think that for the value of the box, we got definitely cool items. And I think that he definitely listened to his audience of like what we wanted this time around. So I'm happy with the box. Let me know what you guys got in yours. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be doing a pretty big giveaway with this one just because I have so much in my collection already. All I'm personally going to be keeping is the lip balm and the Star Ranch palette. That's it. I recently decluttered my collection too, so I'm just trying to be more minimal, and that series should be up soon. That takes a while to film and edit, but yeah, those are the only 2 products I'm gonna keep. So the giveaway is gonna be the crocodile bag, the Z palette with the single shadows that I got because I have most of these already in my Jawbreaker palette. And I just don't, I don't need this palette. I have plenty of eyeshadow palettes already, so that will be going in there. The Pink Grapefruit Velour Lip Scrub, the Venus Flytrap Velour Liquid Lipstick, and the Beaded Glass Lip Gloss, as well as a style of Noelle lashes. Whenever I do a giveaway, you guys get to choose which style you want to try out. Like I said, I'm wearing Fallon right now if you're interested, but Noelle lashes is always linked down below. So whenever I do a giveaway, if it's not a Noelle lashes giveaway, I will also throw in a pair of my lashes for you guys to try because I appreciate the love and support so much. I'm really excited. The rules to enter are going to be in the description box, but what they will be is to like this video, subscribe of course. Let's comment just a horse emoji down below for the Star Ranch palette. Let's do that. A horse emoji down below, and of course follow me on Instagram and follow me on my Noelle Lashes Instagram as well. So that will be, I'll reiterate that in the comments and leave all the links and everything. But yeah, I'll pick the winner in about a week or so. So make sure that you tag your friends down below so that you can enter, and good luck. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.